Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download images automatically in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you're tired of manually clicking to display images in every email you receive, making your email experience much smoother and more efficient. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in so that all your messages and settings are accessible. This step is essential because you'll need to access the main settings menu to make changes to how Outlook handles images. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to open up the Backstage view. This is where Outlook stores most of its configuration options and account settings, so it's the perfect place to start when you want to customize how your email client behaves. Once the File menu has opened, look at the bottom part of your File menu and you'll see Outlook Options. Click on it and an Outlook Options window will appear. This window is your gateway to controlling almost every aspect of how Outlook works, from display settings to security preferences. It might take a moment for this window to fully load, especially if you have a lot of add-ins or customizations, so give it a second to populate completely. From this window, look for the Trust Center tab and click on it. The Trust Center is where Outlook manages all its security and privacy settings, including how it handles potentially risky content like images from unknown senders. Under the Trust Center section, click on the Trust Center Settings button. This will open a new dialog box with even more detailed security options. Now, from the Trust settings, look for the Automatic Download tab and click on it. This is the specific area where Outlook controls whether images are downloaded automatically or require manual permission. Under this tab, you'll directly see the option that says Don't download pictures automatically in standard HTML email messages. Simply remove the check from the checkbox next to it. By unchecking this box, you're telling Outlook that you trust the images in your emails and want them to display automatically without any extra clicks. Then click on OK to save your settings. Your changes will take effect immediately, and from now on, images in your emails will download and display automatically as soon as you open them. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to download images automatically, saving you time and making your email reading experience much more seamless. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.